Hello YouTube, here we are again. I'm as excited as I could be. Finally, it came, my CT160 Hightower fuel injector tester. Well, let's open the box and see what's inside. I'll show you some of the fuel injectors I plan to clean. Some are still in the vehicles, but I have some on the table I can show you now. Take a look. These are a few of the fuel injectors that I'll be testing to get the good ones out. I may sell a few, and I'll be putting some in my vehicles. But it's really good to know that your fuel injectors are good, especially when you have problems, engine codes, fault codes, misfires. It's good to know that you can reasonably rule out the fuel injectors when you're trying to troubleshoot. Let's open up that box and see what we got. Okay, I moved it over here to the table so we could have a better look-see. I'm gonna open up the box and show you guys what's inside. Now I picked this particular unit because for two reasons. Instead of other units, even the same brand. And one is this one cleans at a higher frequency. Most on the market, and even this brand, clean at 28 kilohertz. Okay, it's cycles per second. And this one cleans at 40 kilohertz, which is awesome. I love that. And the other reason is this is one of the only models that, in addition to cleaning, it heats up the cleaning fluid, which, you know, chemistry and materials and all that, anytime you add heat, it's going to allow your cleaning agent, your heating agitation to be more effective. It's going to speed up the movement of those atoms, and you're going to be able to clean a lot more efficiently. All right, so right on top, well, let me lay it down so you can kind of just see inside there what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out. So here's the cord, here's the top rail, here's one of the tubes. Let me see how does this come out in one section. Yeah, it does. So we'll just take this out. This is how it comes packed. I haven't done this in advance, so you're getting real time here. And then here's the unit. So let me see if there's something I can grab. Put this down. Put it down, put it down, put it down, and just pick it up out of here. So, there we go. Alright, here's the unit. What it looks like. Comes with a plastic bag over it. One of the tubes is pre-attached. One of the tubes, power cord. I know I'm doing a really slow, terrible unboxing here. Sorry about that. I'm not a real experienced unboxer, so I don't do a lot of unboxings, but it does come with a manual. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the details of going into that. So you supply a funnel. They have these valves. Drain valve, control valves, and all of the fittings, knobs, they all come in a Ziploc bag. Here's your little cleaning dish, your electrical connectors that go to your fuel injectors. This holds the fuel injectors in the cleaning tray, which is integrated. Some have it on the side, some have it in the back. This one is integrated on top, which is nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. And then on the left side, you have all of these controls. This is, of course, the power. Turn it on, plug it in here, turn it on here. And then you have your heating, like I mentioned before. And of course, here's your power for your cleaning, the frequency for the 40 kilohertz that I mentioned earlier. And then, of course, you can drain. These will connect, I believe, in the back. So I think these valves connect in the back for draining the cleaning fluid and, of course, the oil. I'm going to use mineral spirits for testing. You actually test the flow rate. So you can actually see that in the metered glasses. Now, I think the metered glasses are going to be housed, sandwiched in between here. Or I don't know where they are. Where are they? Did they forget? Did they forget? Oh, they're already on. Awesome. Okay, I was looking for these, and they're already installed. And this is a little valve that opens and closes to drain the mineral spirits into the tank below. And this is how you measure how much of those mineral spirits you have. You want to get it up to a reasonable level. You just drain it, in through here. You put your little funnel in. You fill it up. You watch, and then you have enough to operate. And then you can start doing your tests. So, in a nutshell, that's it. We're going to do a lot of cleaning and testing of different fuel injectors for different cars. So don't worry about that. We're not doing that this video. This is just to show you guys what I had, all of the pieces. I love what I see so far, and I love what I've read about how these things work. So I look forward to using it and sharing the videos of using it with you guys. I think the first is going to be on a little Toyota Corolla. Then I, of course, have to do my Porsche because the engine's coming out of that, and I'm going to be redoing plugs and injectors and all kinds of stuff. So we'll definitely use this on that. So anyway, I don't want to draw this video out too long. Just want to show you guys what I got. And please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.